mostly clear. Highs in the upper 60s. The preceding was a test of the warning alarm system of National Weather Service radio station KZZ67 in Blue Rapids, Kansas. During potential or actual dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted twice each Wednesday. The first test will occur around noon and the second near 7 p.m. When there is severe weather, or the threat of severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur, even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: Marshall, Nemaha, Potawatomi, Riley, and Washington. We now return to normal programming. Now here is your National Weather Service forecast.